Just want to talk about a little job I've been doing recently, and this is the table from my Ferret grinding machine. This is a trim tool, so this table would sit on there and tilt, and a grinding wheel would face onto this edge, and then you tilt it. That did mount into this bracket. What I've done is I've made some new hardened dowels for this. And in here what I've done is I've machined out the slot so that that fits in okay, goes in on the top. So previously what happened on here, this was just cast, and in this corner here some sand's broken away from the mould, and there's some cast iron in that corner. Now that normally isn't a problem, but this is the way that the table's fixed. There's a bolt through there, into there, through the slide, and this is what controls the travel. See there, we come back and it wants to ride up, we go forward, and it wants to skew because you can't get into that corner. So this needed changing, so this is why I've come for this shape in here where I've machined it out. And this was also a rough cast slot. The running surfaces are all machined okay, but I had to put this slot in there to facilitate this part, this bobbin that I've made. Well, that's going to sit in there. In place of this one, gives us a bit more travel, and that part fits on there. I'll just tighten that one up so we can see that. So as the wheel wears on this face, or gets smaller when you dress it and use it for grinding, and you can just adjust this. Now that's a nice smooth action now, and I can tighten that up all the way. Back it off, and then we can so that slides lovely now. So that's a welcome improvement on that. This was obviously done on the milling machine, using parallels to get the part set up in the vise, and this was actually machined freehand, being careful not to overstep the mark. So see, we just run up to the edge there, run the edge there. There's no overshoot on the shape, so we've got a nice O shape, which is what I was after. So that's the modification I made for the Ferret table.